Welcome back, my friends, and happy Monday. This is Lindsay coming at you with another work from home job lead. This one is a little bit specialized, but it does pay very well, so we will not waste any time. We will just dive on in. Just know the links, if you are interested in applying for any of these positions, are in the description box below. But with that being said, the huge home improvement retailer Lowe's is hiring someone fully remote to work from home as an inventory replenishment senior specialist. Now, of course, pay is always going to be dependent on experience and location, but the pay range for this position is anywhere from $46,000 a year all the way up to $78,000 a year. And of course, it does say starting rate of pay may be varied based on different factors. But it says Lowe's is able to offer remote employment for this position in the following states, and it lists a whole lot of states here. Honestly, it looks like there can't be one that is left out, but do double check if you are interested. But they are looking for someone to be the inventory fulfillment senior specialist. So you'll be responsible for interpretation and execution of the inventory plans for their business. So your key responsibilities will be lead root cause analysis, purchase order management, and key performance metrics, monitoring the direct inventory flows with capacity constraints. You'll work independently to determine strategic deployment of products based on resources, so that's vendor production, availability, network capacities, and communicate decisions across cross-functional teams. You'll conduct trend analysis and initiate product flows plans by proactively managing replenishment program settings, and you'll create inventory flow solutions by providing support, guidance, and problem solving. Now, this is a specialized position. They do require a bachelor degree for this, and your degree needs to be in some sort of field that is business, supply chain, logistics, or some kind of industrial engineering. They do want someone who has 3 years of supply chain operations experience, and they do want someone who has some analytical skills. If this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Also, give me any education that you have and any background that you have that may help, because I'm always reading the comments and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.